Alright. Okay, Kat, una, are you excited na ba for the Canada shoot?
Halo-halong emotions, to be honest. It took me parang 2 days ata to pack kasi ang hirap i-pack for 1 month. And then the team nandun na din syempre. So, hindi ko alam kung ano mga feel ko, but definitely I'm very excited kasi finally natuloy na. Eto na, mauna ako kay Alden and then tuloy-tuloy na yun. I'll see you guys in a month.
Yeah, but how long are you going to stay there?
Until 1 month sample. So, 23 after 23 depends pa. Hopefully matapos lang namin yung mga nakaschedule. And sana maayos yung weather, yung mga locations and all. So, yan, pag-pray nyo na lang kami doon na sana maging smooth lahat siya.
So,